Hey guys, are you wanting to buy Best 3D Printer 2023? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best 3D printer are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in the description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at number 1. Snapmaker J1. Snapmaker, known for its exceptional 3-in-1 machines, introduces the J1, a dedicated 3D printer. This all-metal machine doesn't transform into a CNC or laser engraver but stands out as a unique 3D printer. Due to its IDEX construction, the J1 is a dual-material printer with almost independent hotends enabling quicker material switching and printing. There are 3 print settings available: quick, normal, and smooth. The smooth option produces finer surfaces and higher dimensional accuracy, making it excellent for prototyping. The J1's design is outstanding, however it could be good to have a lid hinge for plot printing. A quick, dependable, and reasonably priced IDEX printer with great print quality is the Snapmaker J1. The J1 excels in quality and usability, making it the finest in its class despite the existence of less expensive dual-material alternatives. At number 2. Original Prusa MK4. High-speed, reliable 3D printing with smart innovations. One of our most eagerly awaited 3D printers this year, the original Prusa MK4, improves on the popular open-source MK3 Siemens with cutting-edge features and outstanding performance. The next-generation extruder improves simplicity of maintenance and safety, while the new load shell sensor provides trouble-free first-layer printing. A customized user interface, quick swap nozzles, and the machine's 32-bit heart, which offers significant flexibility for remote printing, have all been improved. The MK4 can also work with a variety of materials, including plot pit, nylon, OSA, PVA, and more. The most recent original Prusa MK4 printer is the one to own because to dependability, automated first-layer calibration, outstanding printing speed, and a number of safety features including filament sensors and power panic. At number 3. Lulls Bot 747. With more than 50% 3D printed components, the Lulls Bot Sidekick 747 exhibits faith in its open-source roots. This workhorse serves both hobbyists and professionals by providing accuracy, dependability, and great print quality. The Sidekick 747 has undergone a substantial revamp and has never felt more a part of the open-source community. You are able to start printing high-quality products right immediately thanks to Corel's plug-and-play features and Lulls Bot's excellent support. The Sidekick 747 is still a great option for personal or commercial usage. It's the ideal foundation for individuals who want to experiment and increase the capabilities of their printers since it has a variety of toolhead possibilities. One of the best 3D printers available is the Lulls Bot Sidekick 747. At number 4. Anycubic Cobra Plus 3D Printer. A 3D printer that seamlessly blends large-scale printing capabilities with a plethora of options to unleash your creativity is the Anycubic Cobra Plus. The printer's enormous build volume may be the first thing you notice, but its exceptional dependability and simplicity of usage are what really set it apart in a crowded industry. The Cobra Plus may seem intimidating at first because of its size and weight, but it's easy to set up and use because of its simple design and lightweight. Once everything is put together, you'll enjoy how smoothly functions like automatic bed leveling, filament identification, and an intuitive touch screen are integrated. The Anycubic Cobra Plus delivers amazing value for its pricing despite a few areas that may require improvement. For individuals who need a sizable, dependable, and feature-rich machine to realize their creative ambitions, this 3D printer is the best option. At number 5. Bamboo P1P 3D Printer. Best 3D printer for insane speed. The Bamboo Lab P1P provides a sophisticated and customized 3D printing experience for people wishing to go beyond entry-level 3D printers. The P1P incorporates pressure advanced technology, vibration correction, and 20,000 mm²/s to correct acceleration from its bigger brothers. Additionally, the printer incorporates a direct drive extruder for enhanced filament management and an automated bed leveling sensor. Quick setup means that you can start printing right away. Additionally, Bamboo Labs offers templates for printing your own side panels for individuals seeking the highest level of customization. Through its automatic material system AMS, the P1P supports up to 16 different colors. Using the printer's onboard display or the Bamboo mobile app and slicing software, control the device. Overall, we were really taken aback by this printer's pricing given its features and how effective a printer this particular model is. The market for 3D printing will likely be disrupted by this because of its affordability relative to capabilities. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.